In task 2, I focused on the marine pollution problem related to the responsible consumption and the production. My plan is to set up a sustainable marine garbage recycling system to collect and reuse the plastic waste which is floating among the coast. Within Australia, approximately 3/4 of the rubbish among the coast is plastic. The density of the plastic ranges from a few thousand pieces of the plastic per square kilometer to more than 40,000 pieces of plastic per square kilometer. Many marine life would be affected by this pollution. Almost 1/3 of the sea turtles and 1/2 of the sea birds are very likely to eat plastic debris in the ocean. Littering by people on the beach is a major contributor to the plastic waste among the coast. My plan is to collect the garbage that is already in the ocean and raise people's awareness about it. This plan can be divided into 3 parts. So firstly, it is automatic robots that can collect the plastic garbage on the ocean, and buildings that can store and reprocess plastic waste, and a shop for selling products made from marine plastic waste. I would like to start by introducing my job design. I was inspired by the structure of the whale's mouth. Whale can filter the seawater from their mouth when they eat. My job design is quite similar to this. You can imagine it is a mechanical wheel that can float on the sea and keep swallowing plastic waste in the ocean. On the top side of the drum is a computer terminal. It is responsible for providing navigation and electricity for the drums. On both sides of the drum are 2 floating balloons. The drum can control the volume of the balloons by exhausting and inhaling air, so as to achieve floating and diving. In drum's tail, it is fitted with turbo propulsions. It is responsible for providing the power. The main body of the drum is a similar open box. On the other side of it is a streamer which fills the seawater. So when the drum swimming at the sea, it can filter seawater and keep garbage in the box. The barrier at the entrance can prevent most of the rubbish from returning to the ocean. To demonstrate the structure of the drum more carefully, I made a simple model. Plastic bottle on the other side of the model is the red bloomers. The transparent box in the middle of the model is the main body of the drum. Imagine that this white piece of paper are garbage floating in the sea. When the drum is dropped in the sea, the gravity generated by the water can balance the buoyancy generated by the balloons on the other side. So it allowing the drum's mouth is floating on the surface of the ocean. As the drum moves forward, the garbage can be swallowed into the containers. In order to support this drummer, in the second part of my plan, I plan to build a composite building near the sea. The building is divided into 3 parts: a maintenance factory, which can provide repair and charging service for the drummers, a factory that can process plastic waste, and a shop. The building will set a course for the drum to navigate. Imagine that the bottle cap represents a drum group. The drum regularly clean an area of the ocean and return to the building for maintenance and recharge. The collected plastic waste would be sent into the factory. By means of physics and chemistry, plastic waste can be turned back into the plastic material again. In the third part of the plan, I want to cooperate with famous bender. Plastic waste collected in the ocean can be used to make these standard products. So we can also open a lot of souvenir shops near the beach and sell these souvenirs to other tourists to make money. I think these products made from marine plastic waste have a special meaning. They can be good environmental symbol to remind people about marine pollution. So this is the end of my presentation. By the way, I used some documentary footage from the internet to make this video. This is my video reference, and you can find more specific reference lists in my report. And thank you for watching.